me. It's been quite a while.
Sure, in your dreams.
Maybe because a typhoon is on its way here. I heard it'll start raining by evening.
Oh, you mean the shrine on top of that rock? It was destroyed when it got struck by lightning.
Excuse me. Your meal's already. It's been a long time. I'm Shannon. You flatter me.
Ooh, not there. Not there! Not there! Ooh, sinister. Sinister. This is the only weird rose. It isn't feeling well, poor thing. I know who she is. She's Beatrice.
Maria, stop saying that. Stop saying that. I told you to stop, didn't I? She's 9 and a 4th grader, don't you get it? Do you know what they call her when they bully her? We're going back inside, Maria. I said stop it! If that's what you want, stay here and find it by yourself. I don't care! Have it your way!